Hey guys, Alex Wender here with Blue Wave Insurance Services. Today we're going to talk about the best Medicare Advantage plans in 2022. So going into 2022, there are plenty of Medicare Advantage plans available across the country. It's really going to depend what area you're in and what county you're in. Some counties in the country have plenty of Medicare Advantage options and others don't have so many. The options, if you're in an area that has a wide selection to choose from, the options you're going to see are Medicare Advantage HMO and Medicare Advantage PPO options. There's a big difference between the two. Generally speaking, HMO plans are going to be more restrictive. They're going to require a referral from your primary doctor to see any specialists or any other doctors. Also, when you sign up for an HMO, most companies do require you to select a primary doctor on the application. So the HMO will have a little bit more restriction as to what doctors you can see. There is the network component as well, so you do have to stay within the plan's network on the HMO. The upside to an HMO is it's going to have fairly low out-of-pocket expenses when compared to a Medicare Advantage PPO, which we'll discuss here in a moment. So the HMO is going to have lower co-pays when you see the doctor, lower out-of-pocket if you have to go into the hospital, and generally lower out-of-pocket cost sharing across the board when compared to a Medicare Advantage PPO. So that's the plus side, a little bit lower out-of-pocket. But the downside is you're going to have a little bit more restriction with an HMO. You do have to, again, choose a primary doctor when you sign up and then go through that doctor to see any specialists in the plan's network. In addition, there normally is not much options when you travel outside the plan's network except for emergencies. Now there will be some exceptions here. Some companies are coming out with HMO plans that don't require referrals and give you a little bit more benefit when you're traveling. So it will be a carrier by carrier case basis there that we would be happy to look into that for you and compare options for the Advantage plans. If you're interested, just give us a call at the number below. The other option you're going to see is the Medicare Advantage PPO. Now that will give you more flexibility than an HMO. Most companies do not require you to select a doctor on the application for a PPO. And in addition to that, you can normally see any doctor in the plan's network without a referral, but you do have to stay within the plan's network. So you can kind of go to any doctor you want in the network without a referral normally. And then you can generally go outside the plan's network. You will pay a higher cost out of pocket going outside the plan's network, but you normally have that option. With an HMO, you have to stay within the network. So with the PPO, you're going to have more flexibility. So that's the upside. The downside is there's normally going to be a bit more out of pocket versus the HMO. So co-pays are generally higher on the PPO versus the HMO. The amount you pay when you're in the hospital is generally higher, but you do get that flexibility. So if you're somebody that likes to have the flexibility to see a bunch of different doctors, you don't want to be stuck to one doctor, you don't have to mess around with referrals, the PPO may be a better option for you. And if you're somebody who would rather have lower out-of-pocket costs, and the restriction requirement doesn't bother you that much, then the HMO may be a better fit. Now, across the country, most Medicare Advantage plans do include some prescription coverage, but it's always best to check beforehand, before you sign up, to make sure you understand all the components of the plan, what it covers, what it doesn't cover, what drugs or prescriptions it covers, if it covers any prescriptions. And then some plans have some other added benefits as well. So again, it really depends where you are in the country, but we do work with many folks across the country, helping them compare their Medicare options. Give us a call at the number below. Our agents are ready to help you out. We'd love to hear from you, any questions you have. If you want to compare options on Medicare Advantage plans or Medicare Supplement plans, give us a call today. Thanks for checking out the video today. We greatly appreciate it. Again, Alex Wender here, Blue Wave Insurance Services, helping folks across the country choose the best Medicare Supplement plan or Medicare Advantage plan to fit their unique needs.